So here we are at the bungalow next to Zehr, and you can see the roof line. Well, we can't see it very good, but you can see it looks pretty straight. I mean, it does look really straight actually. So that's good. But what we'd like to do, we also got up in there, not just what we'd like to do, but in getting up there and looking at the roof, we noticed that there was hardly any insulation. So that was point number one. Point number two is we would like to put a slate roof on this 1 or 2 or 3 years down the road when it needs a new roof. Right now it's 2 layers of asphalt shingles, which are pretty old, at least 20 years old, at least, maybe 25. So what we did was we went and picked up, plus we need an attic floor to walk on. You can stand up in there in the very center. I'm pretty sure that. I haven't been up in there yet, but I looked up in there. So we went and picked up a bunch of hemlock, 1x6, 1x10s, 8 feet long, most of it, and a couple 4/6s. So we're gonna take this in the house. We're setting up in one of the bedrooms, and we're gonna get all this lumber in there, and then we're gonna go up into the roof and put some boards down that we can walk on. We'll need to insulate the center before we put the flooring boards that we're going to walk on. I think I'll use these 1x10s. It'll be nice to walk on, a couple 2, 3, 4 wide. And then we will do a pattern so we can put an arch across the top. You'll see inside, but there's nothing there. So right now putting slate on would be very bad. Most likely be too heavy, but we don't want to take the chance. So we're going to beef it up big time. More inside.